Hello my friends, RotoDeal here, and today we'll talk about 4 different options you might want to consider if you are actually looking out for a quadcopter right now. There are some amazing deals and I've been flying all of these gadgets, so I just want to tell you my experiences with them and my recommendations. To begin with, we are now seeing the Age 801 model. This is basically an indoor flyer that also has great Wi-Fi transmission. As you can see now, we are basically looking at a live 720p Wi-Fi transmission, and the deal now with the 1111 deals is basically letting you pay only $27 or actually $28 for this cute quadcopter. I usually carry it around anywhere, and it's like the biggest thing that you can basically bring to a party or anywhere you want to record video on. So I really love this quadcopter. It's one of the most stable, as you can see, and it also has altitude hold, so this is something that I really recommend. But if you want to fly outdoors and indoors, you might want to consider the Dr. X drone. This is actually a new drone, and as you can see now, I'm flying it in my house, outside my house, and I actually show you that this quadcopter has a 1080p resolution. Basically what this means is that you get crisp and high quality video like you are seeing right now, and the quadcopter is still very small, so you can actually carry it around in your bag, and whenever you want to fly outside or indoors, you can just take it out and have 1080p video quality. Now I'm also including in the description of this video a coupon code to get this quadcopter for around $60 US. This is an amazingly cheap price, so if you don't have any quadcopter, definitely check this one because it's probably the best first quadcopter you can get. You are getting short travel distance with this guy, as it's actually controlled by using your phone, so you can't basically use an external remote. And as you can see now, the controls are basically overlaid on your phone, so basically that's the remote control you have on the Dr. X. Another quadcopter you have here, as you can see now, is the Simi, and basically I'm showing this quadcopter because this is gonna be your #1 choice if you're looking for your first quadcopter to fly outside. It has GPS navigation, so basically now we are flying it outdoors, and it's really stable. I don't have to touch anything, and like the last Dr. X quadcopter, I'm using my phone to control the quadcopter. I have all my navigation options on it, so this is how basically I fly the quadcopter, and I'm seeing the live video feed, which is basically also recorded, and you get great quality out of this guy. But you are not stabilized. This quadcopter doesn't have stabilization for its video, so if you are flying it on a windy day, you need to understand that this is not something you'll get out of it. Like always, I'm putting links in the description of this video, and in this case we are looking at a very cheap GPS quadcopter, and it's also foldable, so you can basically have it in your pocket. But if you're looking for stabilization, you might want to consider this beast, which is basically one of my favorite quadcopter. We are looking at the Xiaomi Mi drone. This is basically a really cheap drone, which now you can get for $408, and I'm also putting a coupon code in the description of this video that will enable you this price. This quadcopter is just amazing. As you can see, the stability is insane. It's almost feels like a quadcopter that costs double the price or more, and you are getting 4K video from it with stabilized video by using the quadcopter's gimbal. Your phone is connecting basically to the remote control, and you'll see the live video feed, and I'm also going to show you the quality of the video right now. As you can see, this is actually having the gimbal tilted all the way down, and we are seeing a super stable video feed. So this is basically, if you have the budget, the best quadcopter you can get right now by using the 1111 deals. So like always, like I said, I have all the links in the description below, and if you are for the first time on this channel, maybe consider subscribing. I'm also putting 2 links for videos that I think you will really like if you like this one, and I hope I'm gonna see you on our next video. Just gonna finish this one with a view of my city. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.